Hello everyone, how are you people doing? Hope everybody's safe and healthy. So guys, after a long years I'm coming, and I thought that I was using a product, and I thought that yes, I have to make a review video for this because someone will be beneficial for this. So first of all, the review product which I'm gonna make is for L'Oreal Paris Revitalift fillers, and this is a filler of seven small fillers, and which is coming for 7 day treatment kind of thing, and all those things I will be including soon. So beyond that, first of all, let me tell you what made me use this, because first of all, the thing is like I was not going to any parlor or for any cleanup of some facials for since like 7 months, and beyond that I have finished all the products which I brought from India, like I'm in Africa, so everything is finished, and I was like I don't had any products too, and my face was getting dull, especially I was putting on weight bit. So because of that hormonal imbalance, I was getting bit on the uh, I will show the picture of before, like how I was, and I was having a little bit of those dark pigmentations, and uh, obviously less sleep also these days, so I'm getting dark circles and most on the screen, so I'm getting a lot of wrinkles and fine lines like that. So I had a lot of face issue problems, so I was using some other brands, but I had to change because I'm not getting those brands here. So I had to move to L'Oreal because this is a common brand worldwide, isn't it? So guys, so I thought that I have to make a review on this because this filler basically this product is very rich, and it has pure hyaluronic acid, and hyaluronic acid is something which is very beneficial, and it's added in most of the cosmetic products for the face treatment, and it is good for pigmentations and wrinkles and fine lines also. So I thought that I will make a try of this, and this comes around $25. It depends on the country which you are in, and in India, I don't know, you can get in Nykaa also, or in common stores also, and if I get the price, I will be mentioning it here. So this is the basic information, and comes in a such a sachet, and you have like, I'll just open for you. It has like 7 fillers, small fillers. So I have been using this for 6 days, and the last filler is left just to review for you. So basically this is a filler which comes in very small cute kind of filler kind of bottle, and it's a glass bottle, and this is a usage of 1 day, that is in the morning and at the night. So how to use it I will tell you, but as I said, as this promise like a lot of things, it's an original product from Paris, and if you are a watcher in Kinshasa, you can comment below. You can get this somewhere like in very affordable and original product, because there are a lot of duplicate products. Don't go for that. So if you are a viewer in Kinshasa, you can like comment any questions regarding this, where to get it and everything. I will tell you. And in India, obviously, where everywhere it is common. Okay, so this is basically the sachet. Okay, so how to use it, how I used it, like morning after cleansing my face, I take half of the bottle. So firstly you have to just tap it like this, and we have to break the glass like this. Okay, and this is the product. You can see, I can take one drop of product for you guys and show you the consistency. It is very thick. If it is clear, it's not clear, sorry guys, I'll show you. So it is such a liquidy, thick liquid kind of formulation, and you can use it, and it's not at all sticky like any other face serums or anything. It's not at all sticky, it absorbs so fast, and you can see it is absorbing, and it gives a velvety finish also, which I like very much about this. It gives a velvety finish after it is absorbed in face. So morning, and after that I'll just reverse and close it and store it for the night. For the same procedure, just cleanse your face, clean, and just tap dry and apply it. And after applying, like leave it around for 30 seconds, and apply your favorite moisturizer or anything like that. Beyond that, if you can use L'Oreal Revitalift, their miracle, like age cream or any other moisturizer brand range they have, you can use anything, means it's also well good. So telling about my experience, yes, I can say that it gave me around 40 to 50%. Yes, 40 to 50% I am satisfied with this product. I can't say that it gave me an immense change, but I was having a dull face. It just removed me from that dullness to this little bit looking fresh and little bit looking glowy and little bit on those I was getting a lot of breakouts also, that also like small breakouts, that also it was working on. And my pigmentation, yes, 20%, because it's another thing is like I will be having vitamin deficiencies or any hormonal changes. Because of that, any cream can't do that. Obviously I have to work out on inner from inside, but this worked at around 20%, that I can say. Okay guys, so this is a mini review about this product. So I think I will recommend this one. Of course I can recommend, because you're getting at least 50% result, means I can recommend. And it's like budget friendly from those other brands which are very high, like international brands and everything. So it's like budget friendly for myself. I think it's good compared to other products and all. So there comes 7 packets, as you can repeat this for 1 week and you can see the visible results. And they say that in one use you can see the result, but I can see, I think around 3 uses I saw that result, visible result at least. And my last bottle is here and I'm gonna see the result after this. So I think yes, I will mark at least for 6 out of 10. So if you are looking for something like this, if you want review of this one, I recommend you can have a try of this for sure. So that's it guys. So hope this review was beneficial for you, and I will be making a second part of this with its extra like cream, like especially on those moisturizers, and also the face serum, which is, this is just for this video. And my second part will be another products from L'Oreal itself, and this is not a sponsored video or something like that. I am a normal poor YouTuber. Who is gonna sponsor me? Mosquitoes flying. Okay guys, so if you like this video, please hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and like that video if you liked it, and support me. And that's it. So praying and wishing, and take care of your health, be safe, stay home and enjoy in home. Yeah, that's it. Bye, take care.